I have a pet. I have a pet. My pet is a cat. My pet is a cat. My cat's name is Whiskers. My cat's name is Whiskers. Whiskers is cute. Whiskers is cute. Whiskers is soft. Whiskers is soft. Whiskers has fur. Whiskers has fur. I play with Whiskers. I play with Whiskers. I give Whiskers food. I give Whiskers food. I give Whiskers water. I give Whiskers water. Whiskers purrs. Whiskers purrs. Whiskers is my friend. Whiskers is my friend. I love Whiskers. I love Whiskers. Whiskers likes to chase toys. Whiskers likes to chase toys. Whiskers likes to nap. Whiskers likes to nap. Whiskers likes to be petted. Whiskers likes to be petted. I take care of Whiskers. I take care of Whiskers. Whiskers is part of our family. Whiskers is part of our family. Whiskers is a good pet. Whiskers is a good pet. I am happy with Whiskers. I am happy with Whiskers. Whiskers makes me smile. Whiskers makes me smile. This is my pet's tail. This is my pet's tail.